FOMC today, Jerome Powell, interest rates could be amazing. Couple things. First, the open, we typically get back to the blue line, okay? Don't really recommend trading this unless you're going small. IV is going to be through the roof. So if you do it, just know that's going to take a pretty big move for you to make any kind of money. The one thing to look for, first, I think it's pretty interesting. Option alerts right before 1400. Obviously, that did really, really well. Could have been a lot better. And this was a really good move. This is the most recent one. Amazing. Basically, once you get into the trade, if we are going to get a trend day, volume will spike, and you should look for at least 3, 4, 5 plus strikes. You know, this one goes from 1 strike to 8, so it gets 7. I mean, that's pretty awesome. Alternatively, it could be garbage like this. Best way to kind of tell if it's good or if it's garbage is this volume, right? Volume is not going anywhere. I mean, you're still at 50%. That tells us low Wall Street participation, and this is crap. Not only is this crap, but these candles are crap, right? Up, down. That's bad. The opposite happens, 12:18, right? First, you're looking at volume. Whoop. This green means it is exponentially growing. It's going up, price is going down. We could expect it to continue. I mean, any of these you're buying and holding until the end of the session, you're printing money. We go down 18 strikes. That is miraculous. That is amazing. And volume, baby. Volume, right? 11.7 volume. Flat. Barely going anywhere. You get, one decent move, but pretty much nothing. This one, the absolute worst one, 9.18. You do get a nice little volume spike, and it keeps going, but one of those rare ones where they just killed everyone. I mean, nobody won here. You go +3 down to -3. These candles are probably ridiculous. Yes, they are. So ultimately, we want to hope for something like this, right? Trend day. And given how flat the market's been recently, it's possible that we get this today. Let's see what happened the day before. Yeah, the day before, flat, blue line. Yep, flat, blue line. Banger. Let's just check. 129, garbage. Wow, that was trend day. Garbage. Nothing really we can use to tell, hey, it's going to be good or it's going to be bad. Just kind of have it in your mind that it could be either or. Either or. Typically, whatever the reaction is, that first candle, right? So if we're looking at the first candle, this is right when it drops. First candle is down. That's the move. You're looking to get in after the swing. And on this one, right, the swing is not very high. It's like 1.5 strikes. I mean, eventually you get one after Robinhood. You go from 17 +3 down lower. This was god awful. This was nothing. Just had to follow the flow. We're looking here. Okay, reaction is up. Wait for the pullback. I mean, this goes 4 all the way back to the blue. This is chaotic. If it's chaotic like this, don't look to get in. If it's absolutely flying, like this is kind of flying, you're just waiting for the pullback, getting it under the strike. Under the strike here, you see all the bulls coming in. Under the strike again. And then once you get in the red, who knows what will happen next. Hopefully we get a good one. 12-18 would be crazy. It's been pretty calm recently, so maybe today's the day. And it's also insane that after pumping 1% plus in the after hours, we are basically back to flat. They're going to close the entire gap. Just, God, Wall Street, man. Save your energy, save the bullets for later. It could be great. 1400, decision, 1430, press conference, the real action starts. Try not to think about what they're saying. Follow the price action. Get in on the pullbacks.